Today we're going to be doing the E major scale. Now the E major scale has got 4 sharps. 2 sharps in the beginning of the scale and 2 sharps at the end of the scale. So it's going to be F sharp, G sharp, C sharp and D sharp. With the E major scale you're going to use exactly the same fingers that you use with the C major scale. The C major scale pattern is 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The same thing with the E major scale. What am I going to do now? Thumb under. And remember, my thumb needs to glide under before I get there. Otherwise, there's going to be the sudden jerk to try and get there in time. Finish the hand and then come back to the 1 and how many notes have I got left? 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. It's got 3 notes. So remember, it works in groups of 3 and 5 or 5 and 3 to make 8. Now the left hand is exactly the same fingering as the C major scale. Pattern of 5 and then 3. Third over, thumb under. Okay, remember something. I can't go playing the F natural. Why? Because in E major I've got a F sharp. I can't go playing the G natural because in E major I've got a G sharp. So the sharps, the accidentals, take the place of the white keys. So you've got to watch out here, especially this gap over here. Okay, you've got to try and stretch there, especially if your hands are small, your fingers are small. You can't go like that because then you're adding more notes to the scale and you don't want to do that. Okay, so it's... Now from there to there, it's fine. It actually moves nicely. There's no big gaps. Yeah, there's a big gap. Now watch out when you come back with your thumb. What's going to happen? I can do that. Stretch the thumb under to the B. The scales are what we call musical ladders. You just got to make sure you got every single note. Because E major's got 4 sharps, it's going to be E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. So there's still your 8 notes. You don't include, obviously, the white keys of F, G, C, and D. Now when we do it hands together, it's the same as C major scale. You use exactly the same fingers. There's no difference. Thumb under. Remember the 3s, they work together. 3s. 3s together. 3s together. Okay? So it's thumb and pinky. 4 and 2. 3s. Remember the 3s are always together for most of the white note scales. Does that make sense? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe.